Hey y'all, so I got a special delivery today. It is from Mrs. Slippets. Forgive me, I cannot remember the name of the business. I did pop this part, but I haven't looked inside. So I'm going to do official unboxing for you. Here we go, drum roll please. We got the delicate bubble wrap to keep it intact. And this right here is the precious cargo. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Alrighty. Ooh. Dreams in Maple. I really hope I said that right. I can't. Yeah. Okay. You see that? It says handmade with love. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. We're not ripping it with love though. Sorry, tissue paper. You've served your purpose. All right. Let me try to bring this up here. Actually, you know what? Let's leave for the suspense. Ooh, it's so pretty! Oh my god! It's amethyst, purple. I always mess this up. Agate, galaxy bloom heart with gem work. I love this. Dreams in Maple. Thank you for choosing us. Sarah can be reached at Facebook. Dreams in Maple. Why can't I say that? Ooh, I love this. I love it. Oh my gosh. And it's so shiny. I love that. I wish I could just leave it right here on my maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll just put it right here on my dashboard. No, I don't want to break it. But oh my gosh, this is my first reaction and I freaking love it. It's so pretty. Sarah, you did that thing, girl. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. It almost looks like you wrote something here with the little, because it's smooth and almost looks like you put like a little hidden message. But I adore that. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell. I love that. It's so pretty and it really does look like a galaxy because I can tell like where you did the layering. Like it looks like three-dimensional. Like, you know how iPhone has that setting where you can leave the picture flat or perspective, I think they call it. That's what it looks like. But this is so nice. I'm gonna have to take some time to decide where I want to put it. Oops, one of the little charm pendants, I should say, got a little caught. Oh, just a little schmidgy. I'll do it after. I just went that way, but it's just because it got hooked. But this is so gorgeous and I love this little detail in here. It's just so freaking pretty. Thank you so much. Bye.